Hello, I would like to show you a lighting simulation or a light plan for microgreens. Microgreens are a very small crop and they are ideal to grow in basements or small spaces, and they can be grown on a rack like these. These racks are normally about 1.2 meter long, and that's about 4 feet. And the benefit of using these racks is that they are easily available. So yes, it's easy to just get these racks and put on some lights and then put the trays with microgreens here. Here I have two or three different lighting configurations. One is with 2 lights, 3 lights and 4 lights. And in this case we are only looking at the intensity. And of course there's a lot of other factors for lighting that's important. For example, the spectrum. But we are not looking at that at this moment. Let's assume that the spectrum is correct. In this case we are using the Nursery 3 Pro, which is a fixture that has a lot of deep red, some blue and also green, and of course all these colors also contain white together. Now if you have 2 lights, then you get here 2750 lux, and that's about 60 to 70 micromole for this fixture, and that makes it perfect for lots of microgreens including dill or cress and other microgreens. If you like to have a higher intensity, you can use 3 lights. In this case about 5066 lux, that's about 100 to 125 micromole. And that's a very good amount for borage. That basically is a flower and some other crops as well. The last setup I would like to show you is here 4 lights, and that's about 7362 lux, and that's 145 to 180 micromole, and that's good for basil and lots of leafy greens and also edible flowers. Now of course, as you know, the uniformity is very important. So here you can see actually the uniformity on the shelf. Of course, if you use 2 lights, the uniformity is kind of okay, but you see kind of a hot spot here. And if you have 3 and 4, the uniformity kind of increases. Of course, there are also other lighting simulations possible, but let's go and look at those different options in another video. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, or if you are growing microgreens, and you would like to have some help or some advice, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.